Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to trade spot on Binance. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Binance account. And then once you're in here, just go ahead and go to trade and then just click on spot. Okay, click on it. And by the way, just make sure that you have enough crypto or even fiat under your Binance wallet. So once you're in here, just go to top right, select the pair that you would like to use. Okay, for example, BTC to USDT, you can go ahead and use that. All right, so let's just go and use the search bar BTC USDT right here. So just click on it. And then in here, what we're going to do next is just basically scroll down a bit right here. And here we have a limit, a market, and stop limit. Okay, make sure that you're under spot. So market order right here, which is basically instant. Okay, select this one if you want to buy and sell immediately at the best available current price. So this one is ideal for simple or fast trades. Now, if you want to use limit right here, limit basically means specific price. So select this option and set your desired price. Okay, for example, just 1,000 USDT and just enter the amount of BTC. Okay, for example, I'm going to use 50%. Okay, so it could be buy or sell. Here's your max buy right here and your estimated fee. So if you want this one, just click on buy BTC or buy whatever crypto you have selected right here. Okay. And the order executes only if the market reaches your specified price. All right. That's basically it. That is how you trade spot on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.